Today we're here in Splendido Taal in Tagaytay City, Batangas to feature this brand new modern design home. Tara, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. If you have been looking for an investment or a dream house here in Tagaytay, well, this might be the house for you. Hi guys, I'm Arman Cruz and today we'll be featuring this beautiful brand new modern design home here in Splendido Taal in Laurel, Batangas. This sits in a lot area of 284 square meters with a floor area of 500 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, each with its own toilet and bath. It's a maid's room, an entertainment room, your indoor heated pool, a beautiful living area, a beautiful kitchen, a bar area on the 3rd floor of this property. And napakaganda po nito. I'm really excited to show you this one. Let's begin this house tour. So this property is a through and through lot. Ibig sabihin, you have 2 roads at the front and at the back of your property that can be your access. So you can choose to make this your entry. This is actually the other side of the property, which is, ang lote po kasi na to is sloping up. So this is the higher part of the property, which makes it look like it's just a 2-story house. Pero in reality, this is a 3-story property. Napakaganda niya kasi you're maximizing the views of the surroundings. So you can choose to enter here so that dito maganda yung pasukan natin, and really yung sa baba po kasi it's more of the service entrance gate, pero nandun po yung parking natin for our 2 carports. So as we enter of the property, pasok tayo, makikita nyo naman the materials used here are built to last. So from the gates or yung mga gates natin, ang ginamit po niya lahat ay mga stainless steel materials. So these are built to last na mga materials. So as we enter our front porch, napakaganda niya. It's very welcoming. It's really modern design. It's a mixture of gray tiles and off-white or almost gray tiles na colors. And then you would notice the exterior part of the house, it's mostly glass. This is to maximize the views of the surroundings. On this side will be a view of the mountains of Tagaytay, and on the other side will be the view of Taal Lake. So let's enter. As we enter the main door, we'll be greeted by 2 parts. On the right side, as you enter, will be the 1st bedroom. This is actually just a good size because it can be an office, it can be a guest room, it can be maybe a small library so that you can do some work here, or if you want, pwede lang po siyang tulugan. Now again, for the whole of the house, all of the rooms here have their own toilet and bath. So you would notice, ang ginamit po niya, yung tiles po natin, marble-like yung design niya. You have painted finishes and you have beautiful WPC ceilings, which makes it long-term. You don't need to repaint it anytime. You have LED lights, you have a smoke detector. All of the rooms here includes your air conditioning. Pero I doubt kung gagamitin yung aircon niya because it's really cold right now. And again, what I said, all of the bedrooms have their own toilet and shower. Pero this case, this is a smaller toilet. So this is just a shower area. So let's go to the other side. Now right across this bedroom will be your indoor heated swimming pool. It's just a small pool, pero it's really nice to have a small space where you can just dip and relax. Parang jacuzzi na nga siya, na it's just a good size, not too high. I think it's less than 3 to 4 feet. And you can just sit down here, relax with your friends, enjoy the cool breeze of Tagaytay and its weather. And it's still very designed, so you wouldn't be bothered by the people outside taking a peek at you while you're swimming. Now, here in the swimming pool area will be your shower area. You will notice that ang ginamit po dito na mga gamit will be puro mga barnyard door design, which I like so much. And then for our toilet and mga shower area, you have your tiles all the way up to the ceiling. You have your shower, you have a small niche there for your soap. You have shower enclosures all throughout the house, and you have your toilet. Okay? So let's go to the main living area of the property, which is very beautiful. So kanina dito tayo galing, pasok naman tayo dito. This is your dining and your kitchen area, which has an access going to the swimming pool. So if you have friends invited over to enjoy your house, you can have an access wherein dito na po kayo kakain. Kasya po dito yung 10-seater dining table or even a 12-seater dining table. And you have this breakfast nook here so that you can put your food here, parang enjoy kayo, para kayo nagbo-buffet. And as you can see, napakaganda po niya. It's a mixture of dark colors and you have your wood accents at the same time. It's very beautiful. Now, as you can see, in the sale of the property, you have your refrigerator included in the sale. You also have your cooktop and your range hood, and you have an oven upon turnover on this property. By the way, all of the cabinets installed in this property are modular, so they are beautifully built and napakaganda po niya. Now, right here in the dining area, in the kitchen area, is an access going to your first balcony. Now, what I like about this property, dito lalo na dito sa likod na part, since it's sloping up, you will have the potential of having an unobstructed view of the Taal Lake, which is beautiful right now. Kitang-kita po siya sa video. I hope you can see it. We flew up a drone so that you can appreciate it. And you have a big space here in the porch that you can put additional tables and chairs, maybe couches, wherein you can just enjoy the afternoons or the cold mornings here in Tagaytay. Now, as we enter to the other side, so this other entry would be, this is leading to the living room. So umikot lang tayo. So this is your beautiful living area with your open to the below or double height ceiling, beautiful design. You have your wooden slat panels here, which gives you that modern accent. You have your cabinets here. You can place a huge couch to entertain a lot of guests. And you have a beautiful chandelier looking up over your ceiling. So sobrang ganda po niya, sobrang aliwalas. And you have so many mirrors na ma-appreciate nyo. So we're done here on the ground floor. Let's go first to the basement area. So from the first floor, let's go first to our basement, which is where all the action happens, starting with this side of the stairs. This is actually your laundry, your dirty kitchen area. So this is just a small area for you. You do your kitchen, but you can do it still outside if you would like to. This is already included in the sale of the property. It's a front load washing machine, and really appreciate that because these are additionals that is free or inclusive of the property. Now right here, this door is actually leading to your entertainment room. It's a beautiful space or a huge space now we can call an entertainment area or maybe a man cave. As you can see, you have your tile bricks here, you have your air conditioning, you have your track lights there, and then you have a bar here so you can put your drinks there. And then you also have a lot of storage spaces here, beginning with this space here. So this can be another storage area where you can keep your belongings that you don't use as much. And then dito rin sa baba, meron din kayong sariling toilet and bath. And hindi po nagtatapos yan. We also have an additional space here na pwede rin pong storage or tulugan siya or taguan natin siya. Now dito rin po sa ground floor or sa basement natin, we also have our maid's room. So tara, let me show you the maid's room area. So this is the maid's room. So if you have helpers that's staying here, you have a spacious maid's room down in the ground floor na pwede po yung siguro mga 2 bunk beds or 2 double deck beds. Kasya po ang ating 4 na maids. It's very spacious. It's a good size. Tamang-tama lang po sa kanila. You can still put cabinets on this side. And they have their own toilet and shower. So tara, pasukin natin, silipin natin. Ang nawala lang dito sa toilet and shower natin, wala lang siyang glass enclosure. Pero it's almost the same design as the ones that we saw on the first floor. And then, dito rin sa basement natin will be the access going to our carport. So our carport can fit 2 huge size SUVs or van. So kasyang-kasya po siya. Pero ang good news po dyan, you're allowed to do street parking naman. So, as you can see, it's very spacious, maluwag na maluwag po siya. And then you have your access here. So, just imagine, you can enter from here or you can enter from the front side of the property. You really appreciate that. Now, one thing that I like about the ground floor, the basement area, would be, meron din po siyang bedroom dito sa baba, which is muntik ko na makalimutan. So, tara, let me show you the bedroom here. So, yung bedroom here in the basement area, it's good. It's a good space. So, if you would prefer na siguro may matulog dito sa baba, pwede po siyang entertainment area kasi naka-ready na po yung for the TV, you already have your cabinet, you already have your air conditioning, you have your WPC ceiling there, and then you have a good big sliding glass door right there so that you can still enjoy the breeze of Tagaytay, and I can just feel it. Hindi ako pinawisan magmula kanina when we started shooting this property and taking photos, talagang hindi ako pinagpawisan. So we're done here on the basement area. Let's go to the top floor of this property. Welcome to the top floor of this property. Here we have 2 bedrooms and you have a bar area with a beautiful view of the Taal Lake. So let's go first to the first bedroom of the second floor. This is one of the biggest bedrooms here in the property. You have a spacious bedroom wherein you can place a king size or queen size bed, and you still have this sliding glass door and a balcony to appreciate the mountains of Tagaytay. So ang ganda po niya, na-appreciate ko po siya kasi you can still put tables and chairs here, and you still have the WPC design. You have that wall cladding on the walls so that you can have that modern design finish. You have your air conditioning if na-feel mo medyo nainitan, pero I doubt it talaga. Dito rin sa bedroom na to, we have your toilet and bath. This is slightly bigger because this is on the top floor na. Again, almost the same. You have your shower, you have your faucet, you have your glass enclosure, you also have your toilet, you have your sink, and you have your glass. Now, by the way, I almost forgot, yung mga kahoy na ginamit sa buong bahay would be, lahat po sila, so, mahogany. Sorry, mahogany po yung ginamit. Now, welcome to the master's bedroom. This master's bedroom is the biggest room inside the house. Very spacious. Kasya siguro po, 2 queen size bed dito. Pwedeng-pwede. You can fit your whole family in this master's bedroom. You have your split type air conditioning. Instead of just WPC cladding dito sa taas, they used yung mga wooden slats na natin na ginagamit po natin sa pader natin magmula kanina, which adds to that modern design feel. And again, like all of the bedrooms here in this house, meron po silang lahat na sliding glass door to appreciate the beauty of the Tagaytay Mountains. Napakaganda po niya. Again, you can put your tables and chairs here. You can put a sofa here. You can just sit down and relax and enjoy the mornings and the afternoons. Now, dito rin po sa bedroom na to, you have your own walk-in or semi-walk-in closet. It depends on the person using it actually. Ang walk-in closet, depending on the size. So, most of the time, I call it semi-walk-in closet kasi hindi siya yung full-size closet. Pero, if it's just a vacation home, I think this is just the right space. So, you have this semi-walk-in closet with 2 cabinets or 2 full-size cabinets. You have your dresser here, you have a mirror here so that you can do your makeup, mag-ayos, and then you can put a chair here, and actually you can add more cabinets on the other side. Now, here in the semi-walk-in closet is an access to the master's toilet and bath. This is the biggest toilet and bath in the room, in the house, pero you wouldn't notice the difference between the bedroom here that I showed you in the top floor and here in the master's bedroom kasi konting-konti na yung difference niya. Again, shower, you have your faucet, you have your telephone shower, your glass enclosure. You don't need to install a glass enclosure anymore. You have your toilet, you have your sink, and you have your mirror. Now, let me show you my favorite part of the house, which is the last part that I will be showing. Pero bago doon, let's appreciate itong dadaanan ko. Let's appreciate the beautiful double height ceiling of this property, which maximizes the view and the flow of the light. As you can see, ang ganda po ng chandelier natin. Just imagine waking up to this beautiful house every morning, or maybe renting it out or having it Airbnb, pwede po siya. Ang ganda po niya. And you just look down below, you would appreciate how beautiful life is. Sobrang ganda po niya. Okay? And, hindi po tayo nagtatapos dyan. This is my most favorite part of the property. This is the third floor or the top floor balcony with your own bar. So as you can see, you have the cabinets, glass enclosure cabinets. You can place yung mga prize possession nyo ng mga drinks or alcoholic drinks. You have a bar here. You can place tables and chairs here so that you can enjoy it with your family, with your friends, or with your loved ones. And ang maganda po dyan, that is while you're enjoying the most beautiful view of Tagaytay, because here in the top floor, you have an unobstructed view of the Taal Lake and some parts of the golf clubhouse. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual and schedule a site visit, we will be gladly to help you. You can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. There we have our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. We also have our email addresses, or you can contact us on our social media accounts. We have our Facebook and Instagram. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!